Good afternoon. People worried they've been exposed to COVID are rushing to get tested. But the state says just because they test negative doesn't mean they should feel relieved just yet. Here's News 13's Gabrielle Burkhart.
The Center for Disease Control says the incubation period for COVID-19 ranges from 2 to 14 days, meaning it could take a while for the virus to be detected.
The trouble with the testing in folks who don't have symptoms is that it's only good for that one day.
David Scrace, Secretary for the Human Services Department, explained that if someone was exposed to COVID-19, getting tested the next day may not lead to a positive test result, but that person could test positive days later. That's why he says it's critical that people who believe they've been exposed isolate and minimize contact with others for up to 2 weeks. If not, things can get complicated, especially in a workplace. When an employee at a business tests positive, for example, the state deploys a rapid response team which works to identify close contacts and usually requires employers to temporarily close to test employees, disinfect the workplace, and ensure a COVID-safe plan to return. Dr. Scrace explained solely relying on a test to return to work is insufficient.
And then remember that there is that time frame we talked about earlier, so you could just be tested, you could be negative, but you are actually in the process of getting infected and being sick. It would come out later. So testing, the test and the quarantine period are not related to each other at all.
Now, to date, the state has conducted 1,000 rapid responses to businesses across the state. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Gabby. Now, the state's Environment Department says employees who have had close contact with a positive case must quarantine for 14 days regardless of their test results.